Welcome. Today I am with the Redmi Note 12 and I'm going to show you how you can take 50 megapixel photos. So we just have opened our camera application and then go from the normal modes to the more modes. Right now open this 50 megapixel mode, take good position, catch focus by tapping on the object and then just click on the shutter. Right now we can take a look for the preview, and as you can see right now this mode, let me just rotate the photo also. So right now this mode allows us to get the HD preview. So with the HD preview you can zoom in very close and we can spot also a lot of details. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.